Hello and welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today I'm going to teach you how to navigate to your iPhone. These videos are especially dedicated to all those people who recently switched from Android to iPhone or who really do not know how to handle or use their iPhone. In these videos we are going to teach you how to do it. Without further talk, let's us go straight to the tutorial video, okay? Alright, I know that for all of you who recently got an iPhone, it is pretty difficult to understand how the system works, because on Android, this is a phone someone just lent me. It is not mine, obviously, so we have a different navigation bar. This one uses buttons, but on iPhone, everything is done with gestures. As you can see, there are no buttons like here. This one goes back, this one goes to the home screen, and this one opens recent apps. I am going to teach you how to navigate your iPhone. So the first thing we need to know is how to open an app. It is pretty easy, just tap it and there it is. For example, work clock. Now, how do we leave the app and go back home? Just look at this white bar at the bottom and swipe it up. That is how you return to home screen. To go back into the app, there are two options. Tap the app icon again or open recent app by swiping up from the bottom halfway. There you will see your recently opened apps. Now, how do you move from one app to another without existing? These apps are recognized chronologically. If I opened Notes earlier, it will appear first in the order. To switch between apps, place your fingers on the bottom bar and swipe side to side, just like flipping through photos, okay? It's the same. Now, how do you take screenshots on iPhone? That it is easy. Press this button along with the volume up button at the same time. That takes the screenshot. You can crop it, adjust it, delete it, or draw on it by using the tools. If you open Safari, we can take a different type of screenshot. Full page, press the power button and the volume up button again, then tap and choose full page. This captures the entire website, and this is very useful when you need the whole page. Now, how do we access the control center or notifications? Control center is accessed from the top right corner, swiping down. Here we have Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, and more. To exit, just swipe up by using the bar. Notifications are accessible from the top left or the top center. Swiping down, here are all the notifications. For the new users, here we also have the widgets section. Tap add widget, choose one and tap done. You can also rearrange icons by holding the screen until they start shaking, like moving, right? Then moving them around, and that's it. To create folders, for example, hold an app, drag it on top of another app and the folder will create automatically. You can rename it or remove apps by holding and dragging them out of the folder. To access the app library, swipe down slightly from the center. Here you can search any app, for example Google or another one, and drag it back to home screen. You can also remove it from the home screen if you want. Apps are divided by categories: suggestions, recents, social, creativity, entertainment, utilities, reading, productivity, and more. You can organize widgets here as well. You can also adjust widget size and remove widgets easily by holding them and selecting remove widget. You can also add them again. They are not uninstalled. And that is how you navigate your iPhone. I hope this tutorial helped you a lot, and if it did, please give me a like, comment, and share this video. That really helps me to reach more people. Without anything else to say, I hope you have a wonderful day, take care, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.